The miracle berry that could replace sugar. Miracle fruit contains a protein called miraculin that tastes sweet enough to replicate the effect of sugar. Why isn't it widely used as a healthy sweetener? Of all our senses, taste is the one that people associate most strongly with expectations of pleasure. But indulgence comes at a cost. Almost 45% of the American population will be clinically obese by 2030, according to current predictions. That will increase the total toll on the healthcare system from related illnesses, like diabetes and heart disease, to a staggering $60 billion. The values of healthy eating have been extolled for decades, but with little effect as the junk food industry has boomed. But perhaps the way forward is to work with our cravings, rather than attempt to deny them. For many, the holy grail of food research is to create a dessert free of both sugar and artificial flavoring that tastes as good as the real thing. The owner of a new coffee shop in downtown Chicago believes he has finally solved the puzzle. He believes the answer to one day eliminating sugar from our diets lies in a protein known as miraculin, which was first discovered almost 50 years ago. Miraculin is a taste modifier, one of only a handful of such naturally occurring molecules in the world. It is found in the berries of a plant known as Syncephalum dulcificum, or, colloquially, the miracle fruit, which grows in parts of West Africa. Customers eat the miraculin berry and for the next hour, enjoy a flavor-tripping experience as sour turns to sweet in their mouths. In 1725, the French explorer Renaud de Marche was astounded to find that the locals regularly consumed the berry to improve the taste of bland or sour breads, but until the small explosion of research into the biological mechanisms at work at the protein level over the past decade, we didn't really understand why. The surface of your tongue is covered by a multitude of different receptors to detect tastes from sweet to sour. Just like sugar and artificial sweeteners like aspartame, the miraculin in the berry binds to your sweet taste receptors, but far more strongly. The acid present in sour foods sparks a chemical reaction that causes miraculin to temporarily distort the shape of these taste receptors, enhancing them and making them so sensitive that the powerful sweet signals they are sending to your brain completely drown out the sour ones. So far, miracle fruit has largely been used as something of a fine dining gimmick at high-end restaurants from New York to Tokyo. Customers eat the berry and for the next hour, enjoy a flavor-tripping experience as sour turns to sweet in their mouths until the miraculin dislodges from their tongues. So consuming the berry before you eat a sugar-free dessert will provide you with your sweet fix, but many believe that the full potential of miraculin has yet to be explored. Cantu has spent the past 8 years working on a way to actually integrate the berry powder into food so it has the same effect, starting with a donut. However, this isn't as easy as it might seem. Both refrigerating and heating miraculin causes the protein to activate, so its taste-twisting properties are sapped long before you sample the food. Cantu's task has been to try and create a heat-stable form of miraculin, in order to cook with it. With this new version of the protein, the effect only lasts for as long as it takes you to finish your donut.
Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, you may subscribe to this channel and press that notification bell to see my latest uploads. Also, press that like button and write down your comments on the comments box below. See you next time, take care.